Good morning, friends. Today we have learned about application of trigonometric ratio, and by taking an example in practice 6.2. In application of trigonometry, we have already studied line of vision, angle of elevation, and the angle of depression. Now, by using these 3 points, we can solve an example that are given in practice 6.2. First example is that a person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from a church. Looking at its top, the angle of elevation is of 45 degree. Find the height of a church. Okay, this is an example. Let's first we draw a figure, rough figure. A person is standing at a distance of 80 meter from a church. Suppose there is a given one church. Now we have to considering AB is nothing but the height of a church. Okay, from the church 80-meter distance. Now we have to considering the position of suppose C is nothing but the position of an person that is standing from the church having a distance that is 80 meter. Okay, 80 meter is nothing but the distance. Church is always standing at a right position, therefore here is a right angle. Okay, now and a person looking at its top, person at a position C looking at top, that means at a point A. Okay, person at a C, and A is nothing but the object, and therefore the line of vision is nothing but the line CA. Therefore we can draw a line CA. Okay, this is nothing but the line of vision. BC is nothing but the horizontal line, and the angle that is nothing but the 45 degree. Okay, then find the height of a church. This is an example. Now here we have to consider that AB is nothing but the height of a church. Therefore it can write as segment AB is height of church. Okay, segment BC is distance between church and a person. Okay, and angle BCA is angle of elevation. These 3 points are in a figure. Now we want to find the height of a church, that means we want to find AB. Okay, now here the angle 45 that is given, adjacent side is given, we want to find that is opposite side. Then we have to taking a ratio, trigonometric ratio that consists of opposite side, adjacent side, and the angle. Now tangent is nothing but the tan C is nothing but the opposite side, that is AB upon BC. In this case angle is given, therefore tan 45 is equal to AB, that is opposite side, and BC is known, that is nothing but the 80. Okay, now put the value of tan 45 is nothing but the 1 AB upon 80. Okay, because tan 45 is equal to 1. Now here 80 divides, here becomes a multiply, therefore 1 into 80, that becomes 80. AB is equal to 80 meter, and AB is nothing but the height of a church. Therefore height of church is 80 meter. By using this trigonometric ratio we can find the height of church, height of tower, height of tree. Okay, now repeat this example or recalling this example. Example is that a person is standing at a distance of 80 meter from a church. Looking at its top, the angle of elevation is of 45 degree. Find the height of church. In this case, first we have to considering AB is nothing but the height of a church. Okay, from a church 80 meter distance. 80 meter distance is nothing but the position. C is the point at which the position of the person, and the distance between church and the person is 80 meters. Therefore we can write here 80 meters. Okay, now from the person, that person can see a point A, that means line CA or a segment CA is nothing but the line of vision, and the angle made by horizontal line, that is a BC, line of vision, that is a CA, angle, that is a BCA, is nothing but the angle of elevation. Now in this case, angle 45, angle of elevation, that is 45, that is given, adjacent side is given, and we want to calculate a opposite side. Therefore we can taking an tangent ratio, tan C is nothing but the opposite side upon adjacent side. Okay, then tan C is equal to AB upon BC. C is nothing but the 45, therefore putting here 45, AB upon 80. Okay, 80 multiply 1, that become 80, therefore AB is equal to 80 meter, and AB is nothing but the height of church, therefore height of church is a 80 meter. By using this we can calculate a various examples or various heights in an example of a practice set 6.2. Thank you friends.